What happens when life hits and you have no savings? Imagine this. Your car breaks down, or medical bills hit your mailbox, or suddenly your pet needs emergency surgery. That happens to me more than I want to admit. What happens when life hits and you have no savings? Well, for most teachers, an unexpected cost like that means one thing: the credit card. And that can spiral fast into debt you never planned for. But here's the good news. You don't need thousands of dollars sitting in the bank to start protecting yourself. Even a small emergency fund can change everything. Why does this even matter so much? Well, it's because $500 can stop a financial disaster. Without it, you're stuck swiping a credit card. And trust me, high interest debt is the fastest way to drain future wealth. Think of your emergency fund as your freedom fund. It buys you peace of mind and it keeps you in control when life gets messy. So let's build one. Step by step. We'll start with level 1. You want to have between $500 and $1,000 in your savings. This isn't about perfection. It's about getting quick protection in place. There's some easy ways to do this quickly. You can cancel one subscription that you're not really using. You can sell a few items that are just cluttering up your house and collecting dust. Or you can do what a lot of us teachers do and try a small side gig like tutoring, dog walking, selling digital downloads. That first $500 gives you breathing room. It means the next surprise isn't going to wreck your budget. From here, your next step is level 2. And that's going to be 1 month of expenses. This is your bigger safety net, the fund that makes sure you can pay rent, cover groceries. If somehow your check doesn't show up, this is the money that's going to protect you. And I just want to say that does happen. I have a friend right now whose district lost her paycheck, and they are fighting with her, and she is having to prove that she didn't get her money, and they don't care. So if you have this 1 month of expenses, it keeps your lights on and it keeps your family fed. And the easiest way to get here is automation. Set up your paycheck so $25, $50 goes straight into your savings before you even see it. It's what I do. It's the only way I can get that savings in those accounts because I like to spend. When it's automatic, you don't think about it. You just watch your safety net grow. All right, that brings us to level 3. This is your full financial cushion. This is 3 to 6 months of savings. This is the kind of security that helps you sleep at night, knowing you can handle a job loss or a major emergency without panicking. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account, not risky investments. Your investment accounts are for building wealth. Your emergency accounts are for protecting it. This money needs to be safe and accessible, not in risky investments. So let's recap. You're going to start small. $500. You're going to level up to 1 month's expenses. Then you're going to build your long-term safety net of 3 to 6 months. This is the most important first step on your journey to financial peace of mind. Put in the comments how you're going to start that first step. And now for action steps. Start this week. Open a savings account and automate one transfer, and you will watch your safety net keep growing. Financial freedom doesn't start with millions. It starts with your first $500. I hope this video helped. Hit that like button and subscribe to Rosie's Financial Adventures. Share this with a friend who's ready to take control of their money.